welcome back to another video. Last week you would have seen that we were on a cruise around the Bahamas. That was only a 4-night cruise, so we obviously didn't come all this way just for 4 nights. We are also here to do Rhys's favourite thing, which is to go to Orlando, Disney, Universal, blah 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 blah.
You like it too.
No, I love it, but Rhys is obsessed. Anyway, so we have just arrived at our Orlando apartment. So I've never actually stayed in an apartment in Orlando before. It's very common to stay in a villa, so I wondered what it would be like, but it is amazing. So if you're ever thinking, I can't quite get the villa, is it worth doing an apartment? Yes, it is, and we shall give you an apartment tour. So this is the front door, and you come straight in and you have your kitchen right here. This is the lovely kitchen area. It's very nice. Very big. You've got a fridge, and it came with loads of things. It also came with a gift bag with coasters and a luggage tag, which is so nice. And then if you turn around from the kitchen, you have the main living area here, which is again lovely. We've got some bananas, a TV, a big balcony with overlooking a golf course. And also this cabinet is full of DVDs and books and fun things. And then we'll show you the master bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment on Reunion Resort, and we got it on Verbo. This is actually Rhys's parents have let Rhys and I have this room, which is very nice. So this is a master bedroom. It has its own little balcony, a big bed, a TV, and then we're gonna scooch and do a 360. I could fall into the bathroom from the bedroom without using a door. And then you go through the door and you have this lovely little corner bath, and you have a nice big shower and a lovely little toilet and a vanity area. We'll go through to the 2 extra rooms as well, which is there's a dining area there. It's currently a thunderstorm outside, don't know if you can hear that. But through here we have the washer and the dryer in here, which is the best part when you stay in like a self-catering thing, that you can do your washing. And then this is the guest bathroom. So we have a nice vanity, and then in the separate room we have a toilet and a bath shower thing that's going on. And then even the 2 extra rooms are stunning. This is the next room. It's very similar in size to the other one. It's great. Lovely bed, very nice.
Oh, sorry, I turned the lights off on you.
Walk-in wardrobe. And then if we come through here, we have the final bedroom, and it's got 2 lovely, these aren't singles, these are
Doubles, 2 doubles.
1.5, I think this is like
a
maybe. Bed. Yeah. And then a walk-in wardrobe again. It is just such a lovely apartment, and we hope you enjoy. Now let's get to exploring Orlando. Will we be going to the parks in this video, or will we be exploring extra areas in Orlando? You'll have to stay tuned and check the title of the video, and it'll probably tell you what we're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now we can let Rhys's parents back into the flat, because they actually stayed outside in the corridor so that we could film the video. We didn't tell them to, they chose to.
Today is a rainy day in Orlando, and we're going to do something that lots of people will probably think about doing but maybe not end up doing, and that's going to be one of my dad's favourite things. He is obsessed with space, so it's going to be the Kennedy Space Center. It's Hurricane Debbie at the minute, but yeah, it's not too bad here at the minute, so we're going to head over to the Space Center and show you what to do there.
The way that I am, with or without
NASA. Let's go explore.
They say it's so hard to find someone special. The world keeps spinning around with or without us, my love. Every morning when I wake up, I wonder.
So we've arrived at NASA. We first took a bus and now we are at the Saturn V Center.
Yeah,
Let's go
so we're
check
going to
it
see
out.
a real Saturn V rocket.
Nice.
What happened, Megan?
Rhys stood there ready to film the doors opening for literally an hour. And then Rhys's dad stepped in just as they opened.
As you enter, please move all the way to the front of the theater to make room for the guests behind you.
Good evening. At this moment, nothing appears to stand between Apollo 8 and the moon except the sky.
For the comfort, safety, and viewing pleasure of all our guests, we ask that you
Is it a good shot? Should I keep going to the end? A smile. Son.
It's going to be on the moon.
When?
It's going up to the moon.
But what does that mean, Rhys? What have you done?
I've taken a picture and it's going to be on the moon.
When?
One thing, let's go.
It's gonna add your. It's gonna send you a picture of your. Oh. Okay, great. What's this room, Rhys?
This is the Saturn V and Apollo launch building. So it's got an actual Saturn V rocket right there, and it shows you the story of Saturn V. It shows you the space pen. What else does it show you? The capsule, the actual rocket itself. It's very, 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 very cool.
You launched a rocket.
If that's how easy it is.
Sign him up to NASA. My personal favourite mission was Apollo 13. I think they did a great job. Tom Hanks was the perfect choice for that mission, even though, you know, a few things went wrong, but that's my personal fave. I like that they picked actors instead of just astronauts to go to the moon. we got the bus back to the main bit, and now we are not looking at the Apollo stuff, we are looking at the Atlantis ship. And
Space shuttle.
We're looking at the shuttle things. Actually, it was a very impressive little show they just did. So
Amazing.
won't give you a giveaway, but check out the shuttle.
This is the actual Atlantis space shuttle that was in use for, I think it's 33 missions, so it's flown to space 33 times, used all of the time, and looks pretty good in my opinion.
Oh.
No, you're supposed to pan to that. You're an idiot.
In the shuttle bit, there is actually a shuttle simulator, which is pretty fun.
The shuttle launch experience.
The shuttle launch experience. It was pretty fun. It's pretty shaky. If you don't like lying down, don't go on it. I don't like lying down, so I did not like it. Well, obviously I can lie down. I don't sleep standing up, but I don't like being trapped lying down. Anyway, so that was fun, but then Rhys's mum got lost. We had to call security, or I had to ask a random person where she would be, and then we found her and all is well. And now we're going to the gateway. Don't know what that is, but we're going.
So if the parks are wearing you out and you want some retail therapy, the best place to do it is the premium outlets.
So in these outlets they also have a Disney character warehouse, which has loads of discounted Disney like official merch. So for example, a lounge flyer is usually $60 to $80. Here it's $24. Spirit jerseys are usually, what did you say?
$70 to $100.
$70 to $100. Rhys just found one for $30. Loads of discounts. So Rhys's parents are here buying some souvenirs for their friends back home. So this
is a cute little Walt Disney World cookie top. How much is it?
Where is the price tag? So here that's $29. How much would that usually be?
I guess 50 plus, so
yeah,
really half price, I would imagine.
We've got some lovely nightgowns over here.
Oh, here it is.
What is this? Who is that? Baby Yoda jersey. This is falling off the hanger. That $30. That wouldn't be $30 usually. And the final thing we're going to show you of things to do in Orlando that aren't theme parks is the Florida Mall. There are other things you can do, but we've not been here that long, so we've not been able to. But if you are specifically here for things to do in Orlando that aren't theme parks, I'd also recommend Daytona, go to Tampa, go to Clearwater. There's lots of things to do around. We've not shown you. St. Pete's and St. Augustine. Yeah, those would be my two top choices. No, I'm getting to that.
Oh, sorry.
So St. Augustine and Daytona would be another options to go to. And then also what Rhys's parents have done this time, but we were too busy doing fun things. Also Winter Gardens is a lovely place to go to, or Celebration. But anyway, this is our final thing we'll show you, and that is the Florida Mall. Woo!
you next time.